this video I am going to show you how we can categorize a raster dataset into several categories. For this example I am going to use SRTM dataset. First of all we have to import that image into the Google Earth Engine code editor. So I'll use this image function to get the dataset. And now first of all let's view this on Google Earth Engine code editor before we create a categorical map from here. So we have to define minimum and maximum value. That's why because it's shown. However, you can see that there is a light white color which denotes high elevation area. However, to visualize better, I'll include the minimum and maximum value for this. So let's run it again. So now we can clearly see how the Central Hills in Sri Lanka is located. But as I said before, if we need to categorize this into 3 classes, we can do this by defining less than values and greater than values to this image. So for that we have to create another variable for I'll name that variable as cat image. And then we have to provide the less than and larger than values. In here LT means that less than. So we are for the first category we are considering the elevations less than 500 and we assign the value as 1 for that. So we can just copy and paste it here. And here we are going to give 2 variables or the 2 conditions: greater than or equal to 500 and image 1 less than 1500. So we'll do it as number 2. And then for the final category we will give a greater than value. And we'll assign the value as 3. In here mask function is a built-in function in Google Earth Engine. And finally we can add it as a map layer. Now let's run the program and see how it changes. So we have to comment it because unless we comment it out, we can't actually see how the changed image is displayed. So now you can clearly see the entire image is categorized into 3 categories. So in white color you can see the elevations that are greater than 1500, and the light gray color or the middle color represent from 500 to 1500, and finally the coastal areas and the other regions represented less than 500 in dark gray color. So in here we use mask function in order to mask out the coastal regions,